DJ ATV.
I want to let you know, of which already you know, that danger is looming across the land, and that sometimes it comes without a warning. Mahmood, or whatsoever your name is called, I do not care to know, but I want to talk to you right away. I want to let you know, of which already you know, that danger is looming across the land, and that sometimes it comes without a warning. But this particular danger, for a long time, has placed you on notice, and now it is now staring you in the face. This is the time for you to write your name in the good pages or bad pages of history. Before now, let me say this. We never knew that elections can be won in this country without the aspirant bribing the masses. But Peter Obi has succeeded in erasing all such nonsensical impressions from our cerebral cavities, impressions that make up our mentality, that make up our mindsets, impressions that configured our thinking. I have never seen anything like this before, and any right-thinking and conscientious human being can attest to this fact that I just pointed out. I've never seen where the masses genuinely, organically, out of sincere love, came out en masse to vote, to beloved and embrace the uprightness of one man whose public life is exemplary by all standards. Every politician has the dossier of every other politician. Nigerians are not fooled. Nigerians cannot be fooled again. Mark Twain, the American writer, once said that it is easier to fool a people than to tell them that they have been fooled. Going by this sham you call election that you have conducted, that you presided over, or you are presiding over, Nigerians know that you have fooled them. But let me just assure you that this time around, the citizens are ready to retrieve their stolen mandates. It is a very big shame that people like you, who are to be regarded as intellectuals, are the worst enablers and peddlers of nonsense in the country. It's very unfortunate. You see, I want to implore all my Igbo brethren, wherever they are, to be law-abiding, peaceful, no matter the provocation whatsoever. We have seen those who are the problems of Nigeria, and we know, everyone knows this. I implore all my Igbo brethren, wherever they are, to be law-abiding, peaceful, no matter the provocation whatsoever. We have seen those who are the problems of Nigeria, and we know, everyone knows this.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
These Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJ ATV.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.